Hello YouTubes, today we are seeing a semi-trailer we made for Sudan market. The Sudan client wants to the Dropside, which is going to carry those cement bags, and also it can carry containers at the same time. That's why we have the twist lock here in the four corners and also in the middle to carry different sizes of containers. Here is the same as all the other trailers. We have the braking line connection and also electricity line connection here. And also we have the winch here and indicator light in the left and right. In the front, we haven't installed the canvas bucket yet, and also the ladder we haven't installed it yet because we are going to prepare for the shipment. That's why we disassemble them. When the trailer arrives to the destination, the client can install it by itself. Also, we have the removable bulkhead will be removed when the delivery and packed on the flat deck. After it arrives, the client can lift it up. And then we have the drop side in the left and right side, and also the bars on the top, the opening from here to like this. And we have the locking device and the hinge here. And also we have a small part there to in case it damage itself. At the bottom, we have the cast steel hinge instead of the normal Chinese hinge, which has many pieces. This one you can easily install it. It is quite convenient. Now we have those rubber protection to protect the drop side to drop off to damage itself when they are dropping the wall. And also we have the winches here and there, and also the rope hook over there. Though that is the side light, and also we have the side protection, and the other side we have the toolbox. For the tire, we use 12R24 as a tire, and the local axle brand with 10 stud. The tire is pretty huge, and we have this type of the pattern to make sure the tire quality is good enough. Here is the suspension, and inside the suspension we have the lift spring, and this one is the mud guard, and here we can see the rear bumper. We designed the rear bumper as the client requirement. It can be lifted up when it is necessary. Now here is the rear door. The rear door has the hinge at that side and the locking device at this side. And it can also open from the top. And this drop side can open like this way because we have the hinge at the bottom. And now we are go to the bottom of the trailer. Here we can see the axle information here, and this is a manually slide adjuster and double air chamber and a braking line. Those are emergency braking valve. Here, this is the lift spring. The lift spring is helping the suspension to observe the shakiness from the top to the bottom, and that is equalizer. And we put a bar between those two suspension hangers, and those bar will join to the structure to become a square, so make the trailer stronger. Okay, I think it's time to get out. Alright, pretty short video today, and I hope you guys enjoy our video today. Talk to you later. Bye.